Right, good evening children. So, today this session is done to discuss your second term test paper which we did in the class, right? You answered the paper and we marked and gave you the marks also. So, I think all of you have the paper with you. For children those who joined the class after the term test or children those who did not come for the exam or if you do not have the paper, I send the PDF to the group so you can follow the paper somehow. Make sure that you follow the paper while I am discussing the paper, right? Okay, children, we will start from the first paper, right? So, first one, write in scientific notation, right? First question, 3500, you are asked to write this in scientific notation. So, what is scientific notation, children? Number between 1 and 10 multiplied by a power of 10. That's how you write a number in scientific notation. So, at the moment, this is a whole number. So, decimal point is here. If it's a whole number, the decimal point is located at the end of the number. So, when you convert this number to a number between 1 and 10, decimal point should be skipped here. 3.5, a number between 1 and 10, then you skip the decimal point 3 times, that means 10 to the power 3. When you convert into the general format, 10 to the power 3 is 1000, 3.5 multiplied by 1000, you get the answer 3500. Second one, round off to the first decimal place, 2.456. This number is asked to round it off to the first decimal place. So, what are the possible values for the first decimal place on either side? You have 2.4, on the other side you have 2.5. So, to get the answer, you have to see to which value this number is closer. To which value this number is closer, right? So, I have taught in the class. So, class here we have 3 decimal places. Here we have only 1 decimal place. So, make here also 3 decimal places. So, you can easily see the answer. 2 point, this is 456. It's closer to 400 or 500. It's closer to 500, right? So, what is the answer? Right, 2.456 is closer to 2.5 when you round out to the first decimal place. Write the value of 5 to the power minus 3. The may ganapati godaklame varadagata. Are paper medium varadalti bagana me. 5 to the power minus 3. Where did you go wrong? Most of the children had written what? Minus 125. Godakati me. Now, this is the negative index. Negative index. 5 to the power minus 3. Minus 5 to the power 3. Minus 5 to the power 3. That is minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. So, odd powers are minus. Minus 5 into minus 5 plus 25. Plus 25 into minus 5. Minus 125. This is what? Power of a negative number. Right? Minus 4 to the power 3. A power is basic negative. Right? Power 3. 5 to the power minus 3. This is the negative index. Index is negative. 1 over 5 to the power plus 3. This is how you have to write this one. 5 to the power minus 3 what? You can convert into reciprocal and convert it plus 1 over 5 to the power 3. Now, what is the answer? 1 over 5 to the power 3 is 125. This is the expected answer. I think 90% of children, more than 90%, had written minus 125. Right, fourth question. Is B parallel to CD? Right? AB, CD parallel. So, here we have given you a pair of allied angles, right? A pair of allied angles are given. Now, so here you should know the theorem. Theorem If two or more parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, right, then alternate angles, letter Z, alternate angles are equal. Letter F, right, letter F, corresponding angles, they are also equal. Then third one, what? Allied angles, right? Allied angles, letter C. These angles are supplementary or sum up to 180. That is if the straight lines are parallel. Straight lines are parallel. Got it? So here, a pair of allied angles are given. So this is the case. Right? Pair of allied angles are given. And if AB and CD to be parallel, ABCD parallel, these two angles should sum up to 180 or supplementary. So here, 100 plus 70, it is not 180, that is 170. So a pair of allied angles are not supplementary. That means AB and CD are not parallel. That's how you should write the answer. Right? Is AB and CD parallel? So answer is no. Reason? Supplementary angles are not, allied angles are not supplementary. Allied angles are not supplementary. Therefore, AB and CD are not parallel. That's how you should write the answer. So that is direct theorem. Kelima ballatin wala theorem එක දන්නවා කියලා. හරි මේක දැනගන්න ඕනේ පුතා. පාඩම් කරන්න. Fifth question. Find the value of 2a minus b, a simplification one. 2a minus b wala value එක අහනවා. A is 3. So that is 2 times 3 minus b equals minus 2. Bansali varne. A is 3 plus 3. So 2 times 3. Here subtract. B is minus 2. So we have to put a bracket. So remove the brackets and simplify. 2 times 3, 6. Here minus into minus, same sign. Plus, when you multiply, same sign plus. 1 times 2, 2. 6 plus 2, 8 should be the answer. Right, we will discuss the sixth question also. So the first page is finished. Factorize 2a squared minus 18. 2a squared minus 18. It's a classic. When a factorized sum is given, what is the first thing we should check? Whether we can take a common factor out. Whether you can take a common factor out. That is the first thing you check. Whatever factorized sum given. So is there a common factor you can take out? Yes. 2a squared and 18 both can be divided by 2. So take the common factor 2 out. What remains inside? A squared minus 9. A squared minus 9. The method puti irde gale anneva. Har balanne. Can you factorize further? Factorize steps kuda tino. Taking out common terms. Natha factorizing quadratic trinomial quadratic expressions. Natha you can apply difference of 2 squares. The theorem danagannu ne check karan. The samar katte make a square minus 9 dekana matak wenne. The theorem of difference of 2 squares. What the theorem of difference of 2 squares can? X squared minus y squared. Difference of 2 squares. This expression can be factorized as x plus y, x minus y. The theorem එක දන්නද කෙනෙකුට මේක දිහා බැලුවම මතක් වෙන්නේ නැහැ පුතේ difference of two squares මතක තියෙනවා. ඒතර theorem දැනගන්න ඕනේ. ගොඩක් දරුවන්ට වෙන්නේ පේපරේ theory මතක නැහැ. theory පාඩම් කරගන්න. So here a squared minus 9. 9 is a square number. මේ තියෙන මොකද පුතේ? a squared minus 3 squared. 9 කියන්නේ 3 squared. And now what are the factors? 2 times a plus 3, other factor a minus 3. Maybe. Right? 2 times a plus 3, a minus 3. Most of the children had stopped the sum from here. What are the room? But still 1 mark will be given. First step, to get the full marks, you have to complete up to here. Correct? Right. Complete the first page, children, the 6 sums on the first page. Question number 7. Make S the subject of the formula. Right? V equals ut plus as. You are asked to produce S. S should be made the subject of the formula, right? So what shall you remove first? This one. Ut can be put into other side. Plus ut come this side, minus ut. V minus ut equals as. Now you want to produce S. So we have removed this a. What? Both sides can be divided by a. The answer? S equals V minus ut over a. Right? S equals V minus ut divided by a. 8th question. Now this is about Igman because now we have done the second term in your school. We have answered this paper in the class itself. Right? So this is just a revision. Right? We are not teaching, just discussing for you to revise the lesson. Right? 8th question. When a certain number was rounded off to the nearest multiple of 10, the answer was 80. Right? So what are the numbers that rounds off to 80 when you round off to the nearest multiple of 10? Nearest multiple of 10 will round off grammar. 80 will round off when numbers munad. Starting from 75. 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. Then from other side, 81, 82, 83, 84. Those are the numbers that rounds off to 80 when you round off the nearest multiple of 10. 85 rounds off to 90. Right. If it's a number greater than 80, number is also greater than 80. So you cannot take 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, you can't take. What are the values that number can be? It's easy, no? So what are numbers greater than 80? 81, 82, 83, 84. That number should be one out of these 4 numbers. Rounds off to 80, greater than 80. So it cannot be these numbers. 81, 82, 83 and 84. 9th one. Simplify and write the answer with positive index. Right. So how can you convert index into positive? This is easy. Simplify and write the answer with positive index. Right. So b squared, that's in the positive index, no problem. A to the power 2, that's also in positive index. No issue. This is the case. A to the power minus 3. Negative index. So how can you convert this negative index into positive? Take it below the line. Reciprocal. So how can you write this one? B squared. So take this one down. A to the power minus 3 comes down as A to the power plus 3 into A to the power 2. That's it. What is this? A to the power 3 into A to the power 2. When powers of same base are multiplied, the indices should be added. The first rule of indices. So 3 plus 2, 5. B to the power 2 over A to the power 5. B to the power 2 over A to the power 5. 10th question. What is the conclusion? What is the conclusion you can make from the data given in the figure below? This question we have answered in the class itself. In the lesson of axiom පාඩම අරගෙන බලමු පුතේ මේ පාඩම මේ ගානේ එහෙම මදලා තියෙනවා. Understand? It is given in the same way. So ABCD located on a straight line. It is given that AB is equal to CD. ABCD වලට equal කියලා දීලා තියෙනවා නේ. So what conclusion can you make? Yes. So AB equals CD. It's given. So what can you do? Add the part BC to both sides. Axiom 2, the second axiom. Equal quantities, right, are added for equal quantities. Still the result is same. For equal quantities, same. BC is added to both sides. So AB plus BC, what is the answer? AC. CD plus BC, the answer is BD. So this is the conclusion, right? This particular part BC is added to both sides. AB plus BC, AC, BC plus CD, BD. This is the conclusion. Then make a samahar daru mehema liya tiba puthe මොකද්ද? Subtracted. Subtract කළ යුතු බෑ කියන්නේ AB subtract BC equals CD subtract BC. හරි. ඒක එහෙනම් multiply කරලා ලියන්න පුළුවන්. divide කරලා ලියන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙම ලියනවා නේ. දැන් මේක subtract කරයි කියලා දැන් AB වලින් BC අඩු කරාම subtract කරාම මේ straight line segment, can you see something like that here? BC වලින් AB subtract කරාම line segment මේක තියෙනව නෑ. එහෙම එකක් නෑ. Do you understand? So we cannot accept that answer. AB is added to BC, you get AC. But AB subtract BC, the result you can't tell from here. So therefore, that answer you cannot, we cannot accept. So this is the expected answer. Okay, check your answers, children, quickly. Right. Now, don't do the whole paper with me. The මේ සර් කරගෙන යන ගමන් ඔයාලා මුළු පේපරේම ආයි මෙහෙම ඔක දැන් මේක දිහා බලන් පොතේ ලියන්න එපා. Understand? Mark the mistakes. තමුන්ට වැරදිලා තියෙන දා mark කරගෙන later you can answer. Understand? දැන් මම මේ ලියන ගමන් ඔක්කොම කොළ ටිකක් කරන් මේක ලියාගෙන යන්න එපා. එහෙම තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ. Keep watchful. Pick the mistake. තමුන්ට වැරදිලා තියෙන තැන හොයාගෙන ඒක තේරුම් ගන්න. Later answer the whole paper again. නේ නැත්තම් දැන් පස්ස ලියන්න වෙනකොට කම්මැලිකම මේ සර් ලියන ගමන්ම ලියාගෙන යන්න පුළුවන් ඉතින් නේ. එහෙම ඉතින් කම්මැලිකමට කරලා මේ වැඩේ උඩ යන්න බෑ. right? So බලන් ඉන්න, find your mistake, understand your mistake, later do it correctly. 11th question, Pythagoras theorem. නේ Pythagoras theorem. Right? So what is said by the Pythagoras theorem? So ABC, this is the right angle, hypotenuse is 13, this side is 5 and you have to find out the length of BC. So PBC daga mix kila. So what is Pythagoras theorem? In right angle triangle, square of the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is 13 square. Right? Hypotenuse is 13. So 13 squared equals what? Sum of squares of the other two sides. So simple as that. 13 squared equals 5 squared plus x squared. 13 squared is 169, 5 squared is 25, x squared, plus 25 comes other side, minus 25, right? 169 subtract 25 is 144. X squared equals 144, and x can you have to get the square root of 144, that is 12 centimeters. The length of side BC is equal to 12 centimeters. Right. Question number 12. So this is grade 8 sum, not grade 9. Grade 8 removing the bracket set, simplifying algebraic expressions. So here we should remove the bracket first. Bracket time koda මොකක්ද පුතේ සර් කියලා තියෙන්නේ what is our spell? මොකක්ද අපි මතුරන්නේ? Same sign plus different sign minus, that's all. එවනේ සර් කියලා තියෙන්නේ නේ. When you multiply only 6 words. Same sign plus different sign minus. So here same sign plus 2 into x 2x. Again same sign plus 2 times 3 6. Here minus and plus. Different sign minus 3 times 7 21. Same sign plus 3 times x 3x. Right? Multiply, remove the brackets. Now brackets are removed. Then simplify. Simplify rule. Right? There are two rules. Like terms are simplified together. That's the first thing. Like terms. Simplify x with x, numbers with numbers. What is the theorem of simplify? Simplifying rule. Same sign, right? Different sign, subtract. Symbol come from the largest number. We do that from grade 7. So 2x and 3x, same sign. So you add 5x symbol is plus. Plus 6 and minus 21, different sign subtract. 21 subtract 6, 15. Symbol comes from largest number. 5x minus 15 is the answer. 5x minus 15. 13th question. Find out the capacity of the given vessel in milliliters and liters. මොකද පුතේ දීලා තියෙන vessel එක? Cube එක ගන්නනේ. It's a cube. Length 4 centimeters, breadth 4 centimeters, height 4 centimeters, right? So how can you do this one? අපි දන්නවා volume of a cube, length into breadth into height. Length also 4 centimeters, breadth 4 centimeters, height 4 centimeters, and our volume is 64 cubic centimeters. 4 times 4, 16, 16 times 4, 64. Then we can put a volume maker in milliliters and liters. So how can you convert cubic centimeters to milliliters? Convert කරන්න දෙයක් නැහැ නේ. Cubic centimeter and milliliter both are same. Cubic centimeter, milliliter කියන්නේ same measuring unit නම් දෙක විතරයි වෙනස්. So 64 cubic centimeters කියන්නේ 64 milliliters, the first answer. Then you are asked to convert this one into liters. So when you convert milliliters to liters, we should divide by 1000. Because 1000 milliliters make 1 liter. Divide by 1000 කියන පුතේ we have to keep how many decimal places? 3 decimal places should be kept. So what is the answer? 1, 2, 3, that is 0.064 liters. 0.064 liters. දැන් සමහර දරුවන්ට වෙන්නේ මෙතනින් ගාන හදලා ඉවරයි. ගාන කියවලා නැහැ. මිලිලීටර්ස් වලින් ලියලා තිනවා. But not given. දැන් අහලා තියෙන්නේ මොකද මොකද්ද? Express the volume in milliliters and liters. තොර මේකට ලකුණයි මේකට ලකුණයි. You are getting 2 marks, 1 each answer. තොර 64 milliliters විතරක් ලියවම. Only one answer is given. We can give you only 1 mark. We can't give the both. ලකුණු දෙකම දෙන්න විදියක් නැහැ. පුතේ හැම වෙලේම ප්‍රශ්නේ හොඳට කියවලා answer the whole question. Okay, right. So that's it. 14th question. 14th question. Find the value of A and B. එතන පුතේ මේවා ලේසිම ගණන්නේ. This is also grade 8. මේ ගණනත් grade 8. Right? So how much is B? What? Angles on a straight line. Straight angle sum up to 180. 130 plus B equals 180. And how can you get the value of B? 180 minus 130. How much? B equals 50 degrees. Right? Angles on a straight line. Then how can you find out A? B hoga, how can you find out A? What are these angles? Me angles vertically opposite angles. Right? So we know vertical opposite angles are equal in magnitude. And now A plus A, that is 2A. 2A is equal to 130. Both sides divide by 2. You get the answer. A equals 65 degrees. A equals 65 degrees. Right. Then 15th question. 15th question. The circumference of a circle, 22. අතර පුතේ සර් මේ පේපරේ ගොඩක්ම ටෙස්ට් කරලා තියෙනවා ඔයාලා පාඩම් කරලා තියෙනවා. Understand? කියන්නේ there are no sums which you have to think a lot and do. ගොඩ වෙලා කල්පනා කරලා හදන්න ඕනේ අමාරු ගණන් මොකුත් මේකේ නෑ. සර් දීලා තියෙනම direct theorem. මේ ඔක්කොම Pythagoras theorem. Simple. Pythagoras theorem දන්නවනේ මේක නිකන් හදන්න තියෙන්නේ. Volume, length into breadth into height, cubic centimeter equal milliliter, liters. So මේ හැම එකම එහෙමනේ. Here angles on a straight line, vertical opposite angles. Clear? ඉතින් ලකුණු වල නම් ඒක තේරුම ඔයාලා රිවයිස් කරගෙන නැහැ පාඩම් කරලා නැහැ කියන එක. පේපරේ අමාරු කරලා නැහැ. 15th one. Circumference of the circle is given and they ask you the radius. Right? So we know the formula. Circumference of a circle equals 25r. What is circumference? 22 centimeters. 22 centimeters. Centimeters down. Right? Circumference 22. 2 times 5, that is 22 over 7 radius. That's what we have to find. So what is this? A simple equation. Circumference of circle simple equation. So produce R me 22 divide by 7 goes other side, multiply by 7. 2 and 22 are to be multiplied, there comes other side to be divided. Divide by 7 goes other side, multiply by 7. 2 times 22, other side comes to be divided. What's the answer? 22 cut off. Radius equals what? 7 over 2, that is 3.5 centimeters. 3.5 centimeters. Okay. Check your answers up to the 15th question, children. We have 5 more questions in the first paper, right? I'll give you 1 minute. Check your answers and do corrections if you have. Right, children, we'll move to question number 16. Find out the value of 60,500 rupees in US dollars. 1 US dollar is given as 121 Sri Lankan rupees. So that's this time. It's a time back. 60,500 rupees. Right? You are asked to express in US dollars. 1 US dollar is given as 121 rupees. So 60,500 should be divided by 121. Okay. You have 60,500 rupees in your hand. You can buy $1 for 121 rupees. And 60,500 dollars kiya ganna pulan kila. So we should divide. Mewa ganna hathurna puthi pොඩ්ඩක් guess කරන්න නැත්නම් ටිකක් කල්පනා කරන්න ඕනේ. දැන් තාම සමහර වෙලාවට අපි දකිනවා මේ ගණන් අපේ ළමයි හදන්නේ අර grade 9 grade 5 scholarship exam එකේ වගේ මෙහෙම දා ගන්නවා මෙහෙම කොටුවක් දාලා 60,500 divide by එහෙම කරන්න බෑ. එහෙම කරන්න බැලුවත් නෑ එහෙම still you have to think in the same way. පොඩ්ඩක් මේක observe කරන්න මේ zeros ටික කොහොමද තියෙනවනේ පුතේ. Observe these two numbers. 605 121. 1 5 12 60 5 times. 5 times 1 5 5 times 12 60. And now 605 can divide by 121. What is the answer? 5. With these two zeros, what is the answer? 500 US dollars. 500 US dollars is the answer. 17th question. You are asked to simplify these two binomial expressions. X minus 3, you have to multiply by x plus 5. So, each term should be multiplied by each term. Hammer term ekim වැඩි වෙන්න ඕනේ. When you multiply, what is the spell? Same sign plus, different sign minus. So, same sign plus x into x squared. Here also same sign plus x into 5x. Here minus into plus, different sign minus 3 into x, 3x. Again different sign minus 3 times 5, 50. Right? Now simplify, right? X squared, these two x terms can be simplified together, no? How do you simplify? Simplify කරනවා මොකද්ද අපේ rule එක කියවෙන්න ඕනේ? Same sign at different sign, subtract symbol from the largest number. So different sign subtract, 5x subtract 3x 2x, symbol come from the largest number plus, and here minus 50. 18th question, you are asked to find the value of y, right? You are asked to find the value of angle y. So this angle is 56 degrees. This one is 50 degrees. So this is also a direct theorem. Make a direct theorem. Exterior angle of the triangle is equal to what? Sum of the two interior opposite angles. Right? Exterior angle y, that is equal to sum of the two interior opposite angles. So y equals 50 plus 56, that is 106 degrees. 19th one, you are given a binary number 101101 in base 2. You are asked to convert this to a decimal base 10 number. So write the place value of each number. May have a number in place values. Then our first number is 2 to the power 0, that is 1. Then 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. For binary numbers, the place values are powers of 2. 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5. So here, with the values of 0, you may cut them off. Right? Then 32 plus 8, 40, 44 plus 1, 45 to the base 10. Base 10 dammat, another prashna. Add decimal numbers. You can write without the base. 20th question. Construct the locus of the point moving equidistant to A, B and AC. The theorem of loci. We have done 4 loci theorems in the class. Locus of the point moving equidistant to a given fixed point circle. Locus of the point moving equidistant to a given straight line, parallel line. Locus of the point moving equidistant to 2 fixed points, perpendicular bisect of the straight line between 2 fixed points. This is the 4th question. Locus of the point moving equidistant to 2 intersected straight lines. The angle bisector. The angle bisect of the angle between the 2 straight lines. And AB, AC, equidistant and locus again. What should you construct? The angle bisector. So construct. So how do you construct the angle bisector? Keep the compass here, draw a curve, same distance, keep at these 2 points and draw 2 curves. The angle bisector of BAC angle, that is the angle bisector, that is the locus of the point moving equidistant both AB and AC. Angle bisector thamai construct kala pennannu. Got it? Right. So that ends the first paper. Take 1 minute, do corrections, or anything you have to note down, take a note. We'll start the second paper in 1 minute time. Right, children, we'll start from the part 2. Right, so first question is fully given by equations, simple equations, simultaneous equations, and factors. Right, we'll start. So first question is as usual a structured one. With structured nature question. Again, write given below as an algebraic expression with simple brackets. Subtract 4 from m. Subtract 4 from m and multiply the answer. So this is the answer. Multiply the answer, this whole answer, multiply by 2. So maybe subtract 4 from m. So you get m minus 4. Whole answer, you have to put a bracket. Multiply by 2. 2 times m minus 4. Right. Second one. Write given below as an algebraic expression with curly brackets. Right. You are asked to apply curly brackets. Right. Subtract 3 from the expression in 1. From this expression, may 1 wale expression subtract 3 from this whole expression, from 2 times m minus 4, you have to subtract 3 like this. Subtract 3 from this whole expression and multiply the result. This whole result should be multiplied by 5. And for this whole result, you have to put a curvy bracket. Whole result should be multiplied by 5. 5 times 5 into 2 times m minus 4 minus 3, that's the answer. Now third one, build up a simple equation. What? The expression obtained from 2, when 2 expression is equal to 95. And I think my expression 5 into 2 times m minus 4 minus 3, sorry, close the curly bracket, make it equal to what? To 95. So you have a simple equation now. Fourth step, solve the equation and obtain the value of m. Now you have to solve this equation and obtain the value of m. So write this equation again. Then method now make answer ganni. Here, then method sir method impatan equation solve karno. Vibhagri putala me equation make answer ga. Keep it for the third one. Write the equation again and start solving. Okay. Method na wala solve karanga na patan ganni pa make answer ganni. Sir method solve karna ganno method ida dini inda. So what shall we do? First of all, we have removed this 5. Godalla mai karana mehe bracket time karana simplify karna bote hondi. Sir nang hemu galla ne. Ne so galla dini komada. From the number outside 5, can you divide 95 by 5? Yes. So divide both sides by 5. Divide both sides by 5 and start. What happens? 5 and 5 cancel. 2 times m minus 4 minus 3 equals 94 divided by 5, 90. Right. Now what shall you remove? 2 times m minus 4 minus 3. Minus 3 can be put to other side. Plus 3. 19 plus 3, 22. 2 times m minus 4 equals 22. Minus 3 goes on the side. Plus 3, 90 plus 3, 22. Right. Now what can you remove? 2. It's outside the bracket. Can you divide both sides by 2? Yes, 22 can be divided by 2. And now, divide both sides by 2. What is the answer? M minus 4 equals 11. Now put minus 4 on the side. Minus 4 goes on the side. Plus 4. What is the answer, children? M equals 11 plus 4, 50. That's the answer. Right? So most of the children got this sum wrong. Got a cut here. First one correct. If you get one step on the midway wrong, understand? That is the nature of the structured questions. Structured question if you get anything slightly wrong, you get whole sum from there onwards wrong. So therefore, be careful. Right, part B, I have given you a pair of simultaneous equations to solve. X minus 3y equals minus 7. Yeah, minus 7. Next one, 2x minus 3y equals minus 2. So these are the two simultaneous equations. We will number them as 1 and 2. So what is the variable you are going to remove? You can remove y, because here also we have minus 3y, here also we have minus 3y. Same coefficient. Symbols are same, therefore we should subtract. Hey, we need one expression to be, one term to be minus, other one to be plus. Then only you can cancel. No? But here we have both are minus. That means we need to change the symbol of one equation. If you need to change the symbol, you should subtract. Therefore, what shall I do? Right? So I will subtract first equation, I will subtract from second equation. Right? So 2x minus 3y subtract. When you subtract, put the bracket. X minus 3y. Other side here you have what? Minus 2 subtract minus 7. Right? What are minus 2 minus 7? Ready? Minus 2, hey, subtract karne pe. Minus 2 subtract minus 7. So here what? Remove the bracket. 2x minus 3y. Here minus x. Minus minus same sign. Plus 3y. Here what? Minus 2. Again minus minus. Plus 7. Now you can cut off minus 3y and plus 3y. 2x minus x, x. Here you get the answer. Minus 2 plus 7. Different sign subtract 5. Symbol from the largest number plus. X equals 5. X equals 5 is the answer. Now you can assign x equals 5. You can assign to any equation you like. Right? We'll assign first one. X equals 5 assigned to first equation. Right? So here 5 minus 3y equals minus 7. Right? Plus 5 goes other side. Minus 5, that is minus 3y equals, simplify minus 7 minus 5. What is the answer? Minus 12. Hey, same sign at symbol come from the largest number. To find the value of y, both sides should be divided by minus 3. Y equals, simplify. Sorry, when you divide, same sign plus. Minus minus, same sign plus. 12 divided by 3, 4 is the answer. Y equals 4. They ගාන පුතේ symbols එහෙම ටිකක් simplify කරන්න තියෙනවා. ගොඩක් ළමයින්ට වෙන්නේ method එක දැනගත්තා එකම තර bracket එක අයින් කරනකොට වර්ධ ගන්න. ඉතින් directed numbers වලට සෝ උගන්ලා තියෙන්නේ මොකක්ද? Simply multiply කියන්නේ අපි poem එකක් වගේ පාඩම් කරලාවත් තියෙනවනේ පන් තියෙන්නේ. When you multiply or divide, same sign plus, different sign minus. Same sign plus, different sign minus. When you simplify කරනකොට මේ simplify මේ same sign add, symbol come from largest number. කින්ද simplify කරන හරියට simplify rule එක දාන්න ඕනේ. Multiply or divide, symbol දාගන්න ඕන හරියට. Directed numbers plus minus කතන්දරේ වැරද්දාගෙන ගියොත් අපිට equation මේ මොන ගානවත් තියෙන හදන්න වෙන්නේ නැහැ හරියට. හරි? Right. Right, we'll move to part C of the first question. Right, we'll move to, I have given you two expressions to factorize. (3a minus 12 plus a squared minus 4a. Right. So how do you factorize such expression? Comments hogaladi. Think, divide in two parts and factorize separately. Here common factor is 3. 3 is taken out, a minus 4. Then here common factor is a. A is taken out, a minus 4. Now again take out the common factor. What? A minus 4, a minus 4. Take the common factor, a minus 4 out. 3 plus a. Get that? Second question. X squared minus x minus 30. How would you factorize this one, Buddha? Yes. What should we do when you factorize a trinomial quadratic expression? We are asked to divide the middle term. What? When you multiply, you have to get the constant term. Right? Simplified middle term, multiply the constant term. So, how can you get 1? You have to find out two numbers. When you simplify, you have to get 1. When you multiply, you have to get 30. So, what are the two numbers? 6x and 5x. Right? Same local number. Why should you put the largest number first? Then the symbol can be directly put here. Because we know when you simplify, symbol come from the largest number. When you multiply, you get minus. That is different sign. Here you get plus. May step check check simplify middle term, multiply constant term. Check different sign, subtract. 6x minus 5x, symbol from the largest. Multiply, minus plus, different sign minus, 6 times 5, 30. Now you can factorize, divide in two parts. X is taken out, x minus 6, plus 5 is taken out, x minus 6. What are the two factors? X minus 6, the other factor, x plus 5. That's how you can factorize this trinomial quadratic expression. Right. Okay, I'll give you a fraction of time. Not to copy down the whole thing. Understand? To identify we have got it wrong. Another note karaganna. 2 corrections again. Paper correct karala. I want you to bring to the class. Right? A rough plan of running track is shown in the figure. Running tracks where you run for the sports meet. Sports meet wala ground running tracks. So in the middle you have a rectangular part, and on either side you have two semicircular parts. So here the diameter of the semicircle, for the rectangular part the breadth. The rectangular section breadth, for the semicircular part the diameter, that is 42 meters. Then length of this side is given as 134 meters. Right, that's it. Sorry. Then from here to here, right, is given as AB. Then AB first one. Find out the radius of the semicircular part. Then step by step, sir, prashna dila tinu uttara liya gani yo. You can find out the answers. Ekasare make find the perimeter of this one, and find the area ku tika kalpana karanna. Ekadamai sir step by step. Or kalpana karanna ඕන විදියට ප්‍රශ්න දීලා තියෙනවා. මුලින්ම මොකද පුතේ අහන්නේ? The radius of the semicircular part. So Diameter is 42. Radius can may length again. So how much is radius? 42 divided by 2. How much? 21 meters. The radius of one semicircular part is 21 meters. Second one. What is the distance from A to B? A to B distance. So the radius is 21 meters. This length is 21. So radius can be center and radius. So this length is also 21 meters. Right? Why? Same circle, same radius. Then this part is also 21. This length is also 21 meters. And now what is the total length of AB? Right? This part 134, 21 plus 21. That is 42. 134 plus 42. From here to here, 134. 21 plus 21. So that is 42. 134 plus 4, what is the answer? 4 plus 2, 6. 4 and 3, 6. 176 meters. The length from A to B. Third one. The circumference of a semicircular part. Circumference of a semicircular part. May a semicircular part take a circumference. If it is a whole circle, what do you apply? Tanikar circle circumference 251. Radius r na perimeter of circumference of a circle 251. So here we have a half a circle. Now, we have 1 over 2. Half a circle multiply by 1 over 2. 1 over 2 into 2. 5 is 22 over 7. Radius 21 meters. Radius is 21 meters. So what is the answer? 2 and 2 get cancelled. 7 times 1, 7 times 3, 3 times 22. What is the circumference of a semicircular part? 66 meters. This one semicircular arc part is 66 meters in perimeter. Fourth one, find the total length of the running track. Running track ke length and perimeter of this whole figure. Perimeter figure, right? So what's it? This length is 134. This circumference of the semicircular part, 66 meters. Then, this length is again 134. This semicircular part is again 66. Now, 2 times 134 plus 66. Right? 2 times, why? 134 also there are 2. 66 will no. So, then 2 times, what is the answer? 6 plus 4, 10, remainder 1. 7 and 3, 10, remainder 1. 2 times 200. What is the perimeter of this running track? 400 meters. Right? So, is it difficult? Make a perimeter. What is the radius? Find the circumference of the semicircle arc. Then the perimeter. Then one more part is there in the short question. Okay, second one part B. Short question. Gradient and intercept of this straight line. Y equals 5x minus 1. Make gradient and intercept. Direct questions. What is the general equation of the straight line? Y equals mx plus c. M is the gradient, c is the intercept. So what is the answer? Gradient equals 5, intercept is minus 1. Right, I'll give you 1 minute. Check your answers and do corrections. Right, question number 3. A person bought an electric item for 6,000 rupees and marked the price keeping 20% profit. He gives 5% discount to the customer when he sells it. Right? Then, මේවා ගන්න සාධාරණ උගල තියෙන කොහොමද? Using the method of rate නේද? Percentage and rupees you link through rate. එහෙම සෝ ගන්න තියෙන්නේ. මෙතන කියනවා a person bought an electric item for 6,000. So buying price is 6,000. Marked its price keeping a profit of 20%. මොකද 20% profit එකක් කියන්නේ? 20% profit එකක් කියන්නේ what? If buying price is 100, you keep a profit of 20 and you mark price 120. Make 20% profit එකක් කියන්නේ? You buy at 100, keep a 20 profit, mark price 120%. Rahane, mark price is 100. Now we will make it rupees. Rupees what is the buying price? 100 meaning 6,000. Right? This 100% represents 6,000 rupees. And now 1% can 6,000 over 100. 1% can 6,000 over 100. Mark price. Again 120%. And now 1%, this one should be multiplied by 120. 6,000 over 100 multiplied by 120. Okay. What's it? 16 to 120, 2 zeros. 6 times 12, 72. What's the mark price of the electric item? 7,200. Second one, find out the selling price of the item after giving 5% discount. මේකත් පුතේ මේ ගණන් මේ රේට් එක විදිහට හදන්න පුළුවන්. Mark price 100, discount 5%, selling price 95. Understand? නැත්නම් මොකද කරන්න පුළුවන්? Find the discount separately, making 5% වෙනම හොයලා subtract කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඉතින් 5% කියන්නේ ලොකු divide කරන්න multiply කරන්න අමාරු දෙයක් නෙමෙයි ඉඳා සෙහෙම හදන්න, right? Second one I will do like this. Selling price එක නේ what? From the mark price 7,200, making 5% discount එකක් දෙනවනේ. And how much is the discount? 5%. That is 5 over 100 of 7,200. What is the discount? 5% of 7,200. How much? 5 times 72, 360. The discount given is 360. Yes. So 360 the discount you give, the amount you reduce from the price for the customer. And how much you sell at? 7,200 subtract 360. What is the answer? 40. 6,840 rupees, the selling price of the electric good. 6,840. So, third question, the profit he obtained. අතර මෙයාට හම්බෙච්ච profit එක අහන්න පුතේ නේ. So, මොකද උනේ? He bought the item for 6,000. 6,000 වලට ගත්තා. He intend to sell it for 7,200, but he had to give a 360 discount. එහෙනම් now he is selling at 6,840. එහෙනම් finally what has happened? Bought for 6,000, sold for 6,840. And now what is his profit? Like profit එක කීයද පුතේ? Yes. What is his profit? From 6,840, you have to subtract 6,000. So what is the answer? He had received a profit of 840 at the end. Answer hambula tiyenne 840 profit. Question B, right? Third question, question B. A broker charge 3% commission from selling a price of the vehicle. දැන් ඔතනින් ඉස්සරහට යන්න කලින්ම මුදේ අපි percentage එක ලියා ගමු. මොකද 3% commission එකක් ගන්නවා කියන්නේ? A broker charges 3% commission. මොකක්ද ඒකේ තේරුම? That means selling price 100, commission 3%. That means the owner has received 97%. ඔගොල්ලෝ පුතේ 3% commission එකක් කියන්නේ? If you sell at 100, 3% commission that's kept by the broker, broker තියාගන්නවා 3%, the owner will be given 97%. හරි? ඔක තමයි 3% commission. දැන් මොකක්ද දාන්නේ? If the broker received 45,000. Broker received, ඒ කියන්නේ 3%. This one equals 45,000 rupees. Right? This 3% represent 45,000 rupees. එහෙනම් 1% කියන්නේ පුතේ 45,000 over 3. 1% හොයාගත්තම ඕනම දෙයක් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. Selling price අහුවොත් multiply by 100. The amount received by the owner කියලා අහුවොත් multiply by 97. ඕන එකට උත්තර ලියන්න පුළුවන්. මොකක්ද අහන්නේ? For how much the vehicle has been sold. The selling price. වාහනේ වික්කි කියලා තියනවා. එහෙනම් 1% කියන්නේ 45,000 over 3 to find out 100%. 45,000 divided by 3, 1% multiply by 100. So for how much the vehicle has been sold? 45 divided by 3, 15. How many zeros? 5 zeros. 15 times 1, 15. The vehicle has been sold for what? 1,500,000. That's 15 lakhs or 1,500,000. Right? The vehicle has been sold for 1,500,000. Right? Question number C. Indices lesson, no? Question number C is given from the lesson of indices. 3x to the power minus 3 divided by 5x squared y to the power 0. දැන් මේක simplify කළා පුතේ ආන්සර් එක තියන්න කියන්නේ positive index. ඉතින් positive index තියනවා කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? Over the line if you have negative power take it down and convert it to positive. Below the line if you have negative power take it up and convert it to positive. That's all. By changing over the line and below the line you can convert negative powers into positive powers. So the method මොකද්ද පුතේ තියෙන්නේ? 3 and 5 you don't have issue. කිසි ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. Positive within then you can't divide. Y to the power 0 කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? එයාගේ ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. නා 0 index 1. Y to the power 0 කියන්නේ 1. එහෙනම් x to the power minus 3 පල්ලෙහාට ගෙන විතරයි තියෙන්නේ. But 3 is there. 5. Here we have x squared. X to the power minus 3 comes down as x to the power plus 3. Y to the power 0 කියන්නේ කොහොමද වන්නේ පුතා? So උන්නදී මෙතන multiply by 1 කියලා තියන්න පුළුවන්. නැත්නම් no need. Y to the power 0 is 1. So what is the answer? 3 over 5 x to the power 2 into x to the power 3, that is x to the power 5. 3 over 5 x to the power 5. That's the answer. Second question. What? X squared to the power 2 y to the power 3 to the power minus 2 x to the power 3 y to the power minus 2 to the power minus 2. Right. මෙතන මොකද පුතේ කරලා තියෙන්නේ? Powers of powers are given. The fifth indices theorem, ne? Power of a power. What can you do when you get a power of a power? These two powers can be multiplied. These two powers can be multiplied. Now multiply कर लिया को x to the power 2 times 2 4. Y to the power 3 times minus 2 minus 6. X to the power 3, y to the power minus 2 to the power minus 2 क्या बोलते हैं? Y to the power what? Same sign plus 2 times 2 4 plus 4. Right. So then how can you simplify? Then very important. These two are to be divided. When divides what happen? Indices should be subtracted. In x to the power 4 minus 3. Right? Here y to the power minus 6 should be divided by y to the power 4. Then y to the power minus 6. Then this one should be subtracted. Minus 4. Then නැත්නම් මේ ආවනම් පල්ලෙහාට ගෙනලා හදන්න පුළුවන් y to the power minus 6 මෙතනට අරන් ඉවලා plus 6 කරන්න පුළුවන්. ආවනම් එහෙම කර මේකත් ලීසි නේ. Now that's all. We'll bring this y to the power minus 6 down. y to the power minus 6 come down as y to the power plus 6 multiplied by y to the power 4. So you get the answer. X to the power, that is 4 minus 3, 1. X to the power 1 can be x. X to the power 1 can x. Y to the power 6 multiplied by y to the power 4. The two indices should be added. Y to the power 10. X over y to the power 10. X over y to the power 10. Right, children? Right, fourth question. Do the following construction using the ruler, pair of compass according to the instructions given. Right, first one. Draw the straight line PQ 7 centimeters. Right, so we know when you do constructions, we can use the compass and the ruler only. So come to straight line 7 centimeters. And sir, make a measure color pen and 7 centimeters. Make a 7 centimeters and the more pain it. So PQ 7 centimeters. So take 7 cent. First of all, draw the straight line. Draw the straight line. Take PQ 7 centimeters to the compass. Keep at a point and draw a curve. Keep at this point of intersection and draw a curve. PQ 7 centimeters. Right. Construct the triangle PQR. PQR triangle like construct karna kinwa. PQR, here you have to construct 75-degree angle. QPR, here you have to construct a 6-degree angle. So the 6 degree and 75 sir, how do you construct a 6-degree angle? 6-degree angle, keep the compass point at P and draw a curve. Same radius, keep a compass point here and draw a curve. This is a 6-degree angle. On a 6-degree angle. Got it? So, when you 6 degrees here. At Q, you have to construct a 75-degree angle. 75-degree angle construct Q will 75-degree 75 can mid value of 60 and 90. 75 can mid value of 60 and 90. Again, you have to construct a 6-degree angle as well as a right angle. Then bisect those two angles. Then you get 75 degrees, right? First of all, we will construct what? Right angle. Right angle like a constructor. No, before right angle, we will construct a 6-degree angle. The reason is because to construct a 6-degree angle, you have to keep the same radius. No? Radius keep the compass point at Q and draw a straight angle. 90 degrees to construct a straight angle directly. So before bisecting the straight angle, keep the compass point here. Having the radius of compass keep here, draw a curve. How much is this? මේ මොකද පුතේ? A 6 degree angle. ඔන්න 6 degree එක හදාගත්තා. Right? Then how to construct right angle? Bisect the straight angle. Straight angle, keep the compass point at these 2 points and draw 2 curves like this. How much is this? A right angle. Right? Within a right angle. Then this one is 6 degrees, this one 90 degrees. Now bisect these 2 angles. In a may angle bisect. Can I keep the compass point here, draw a curve, keep the compass point here and draw a curve. What is this angle? A 75 degree angle. Right? Up to here 60. Here 90, a right angle. Bisect 60 and 90. You are getting a 75 degree angle. Correct? Another 60 and 75. වෙනවෙනම මතක් කරා කොහොමද අඳින්නේ කියලා ද සර් මෙතන එක පෙන්නන්නේ නෑ. So here a 6 degree angle 75 degree. පොඩි white board එකේ එහෙම එක සැරේ අඳින්න බෑ. So here 6 degrees 75 degrees. Here you have point R. That's how you have to construct that triangle. Next one පුතා. Construct the locus of the point moving equidistant from PQ and PR. ඒක අපි කලිනුත් කරානේ. Question number 20 of the first paper. First paper ඒ අන්තිම ප්‍රශ්නේ තිබ්බේ මොකද්ද? Locus of the point moving equidistant to 2 straight lines, angle, bisector. මෙතන PQ PR මේ දෙන්නගේ what? Locus moving equidistant. ඒ කියන්නේ මොකද්ද පුතේ? The locus of the point moving equidistant to 2 straight lines, the angle bisector. නම් මොකද්ද මේ කියන්නේ? මෙන්න මේ angle එක bisect කරන්න කියලා කියන්නේ. දැන් බලන්න එක දීලා දෙන්නේ උදේ පුතේ. දැන් bisect the angle RPQ කිව්වනම් ගොඩක් කට්ටිය කරනවා. නේ? ඒතර බලලා තියෙන්නේ මෙතන locus theorem එක ළමයා දන්නවද? Locus of the point moving equidistant to PR and PQ. කියන්නේ මොකද්ද කියන්නේ? මෙන්න මේ angle එක bisect කරන්න කියලා. तो locus theorem දැනගන්නත් ඕනේ. Constructions වලින් bisect කරන angle එකක් දැනගන්නත් ඕනේ. So keep the compass point at P, draw a curve. Keep at this point and draw a curve. Keep at the other point and draw a curve. මේ මොකද පුතේ මේ අඳින්නේ? The angle bisector of what? RPQ. Name the intersection point of above locus. Right, above locus and QR, the point of intersection mark කරන්නලු O කියලා. The intersection point of the above locus and PR mark as O. Find the value of POR. POR වල value එක අහනවා. Right? तर POR වල value එක එනකොට කියපුතේ. බලන්න. This angle is 60. This angle is 75. අපි දන්නවා sum of interior angles of triangle 180. 70 plus 65 කොච්චරද? That is 135. 75 plus 60, 135. 135 on the remaining angle should be 45 degrees. Right? So, the angle is 45. Right? Then, think of PRO triangle. May PRO triangle like this one is 45. May angle with a bisect kare. 60 degree angle is bisector. Bisector can be equally divided. And a may angle again 30. Now think of POR triangle. Many triangle again here. This angle 30, this one 45. You can keep altogether 75 degrees. And the remaining angle of the triangle should be 105 degrees. Right? POR angle should be equal to 105 degrees. Right? එම නැත්තම් එක් තව ක්‍රමයක් තියෙනවා මොකද්ද? තව ක්‍රමයක් තියෙනවා මේ. මෙහෙම එකක් පේනවද ඔයාලට මේ? ඔකේ. ඒක වෙනම මේ ඇඳලා පෙන්නන්න පොඩ්ඩක්. මෙහෙම ෆිගර් එකක් පේනවද කියලා බලන්න. O Q P. ඔකේ. මෙන්න මේක බලන්න. right? This angle is 75. මේ angle කීයද පුතේ? OPQ කීයද? This angle 30. 6 degree angle එකනේ bisect කරේ. එහෙනම් this angle is 30. අපෙන් අහන්නේ මෙන්න මේ angle එකනේ. POR. Right? POR. මෙන්න මේ angle එකනේ අහන්නේ. So how much? 75 plus 30, 105 degrees. Why? Exterior angle of the triangle equals sum of the two interior opposite angles. Right? Theorem එක හරනම් කොහෙන් ගියත් අපිට උත්තරයට එන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, last part පුතා. Draw the perpendicular bisector of PQ. PQ වල perpendicular bisector එක ඇඳලා name the point of intersection as S. PQ වල perpendicular bisector එක, right? ඒකත් සර් වෙනම පෙන්නන්න මෙතන clear මදි. PQ කොහොමද straight line එක perpendicular bisector එක අඳින්නේ? How do you construct the perpendicular bisector of a straight line? Keep the compass point at P. Take more than half of the straight line. නැත්නම් intersect වෙන්නේ නැහැ. Take more than half and draw two curves. Same distance, keep at Q. Draw two curves. මොකද පුතේ මේ අදින්නේ? What is this? The perpendicular bisector of PQ. ඇන්දර රම්මදික පෙන්වන්න තෝරන කොහොමද පෙන්වන්නේ? Perpendicular කියන්නේ right angles. Bisector කියන්නේ these two are equal. මේක තමයි මෙතනත් වෙන්නේ. Understand? Perpendicular bisector of PQ. මෙහෙම වෙන්නේ. Perpendicular bisector of PQ. Intersection point should be marked as S. Intersection point එක S කියලා mark කරන්නත් ඕන. Right. So වෙන වෙනම parts ගත්තාන් පස්සේ පුතේ එහෙම ලොකු අමාරුවක් නැහැ. figure එක පොඩ්ඩක් complex. හරි. කොහොමද වෙන වෙනම theory ගත්තොත් එහෙම bisecting the angle, constructing the perpendicular bisector, constructing 6 degree angle, constructing 75 degree angle ඔක්කොම අපි කරලා තියෙනවානේ. වෙන වෙනම theorem ගත්තොත් each part we have done. එතනට පොඩ්ඩක් figure එක complex. ඔතන මේ board එකේ පේන තරම් complex එකක් පොතේ යන්දම තියෙන විදියක් නෑ. That's it. Harbuda. Right, we'll move to the last question of page now, part 2. ABC is a triangle. The bisectors of BAC and ABC intersect the point at O. Right. ABC is a triangle. Right. B is bisected. Angle A is also bisected. So here X, Y, they intersect at O. Right. So what's it? Write the value of AOB in terms of X and Y. Bamuti, AOB wala value X and Y wala liyan. Namaka venam hitanu puti mehema triangle ekana di. AOB venama podda kilita rahita. Me, right? This angle is X. This angle is Y. AOB wala value ekala liyan X and Y wala. So what shall we do to find out AOB angle? Sum of these two angles should be subtract from 180. Sum of all three angles 180. From 180, sum of these two angles should be subtracted. And now what is the value of AOB? AOB equal to 180 subtract X plus Y. May angle like a 30, may angle like a 40. 40 plus 30, 70. Subtract from 180. So same thing here. At the two angles, subtract from 180. So AOB, the answer is 180 minus X plus Y. Second one. Find out AOB. AOB will value ko hai what? If x plus y equals 70. Right? X plus y. When they make a value of 70, A or B will value go ahead. So what's that? A or B equals what? 180. X plus y is 70. So that is 110. 110 degrees. Next one. Calculate the value of ACB. ACB value kahana. Yes. ACB. Right? Come on, go ahead. Balaga. Then you don't need this part. Maybe that. We have to find the value of ACB. No, make value. What is the sum of these two angles? Me angle total here. Speak. What is the sum of these two angles? 2x plus 2y. Right? 2x plus 2y. About Q x plus y 70 here. So x plus y 7 times 2x plus 2y can give 2 times 70, 140. Maybe take out 2 got the x plus y. 2 times x plus y. 2 times x plus y can 70. 2 times 70 is 140. The sum of these two angles is equal to 140. Make triangle ABC triangle sum of these two angles is 140. Sum of two angles 140 through angle how much? 180 minus 140. How much? 40 degrees. Right? The value of ACB is equal to 40 degrees. So this is question number 5, part A. Right. We'll go to the last two parts of that lesson, that question. B. A vehicle travels 36 kilometers in 80 minutes. Find the distance it will travel in 100 minutes using the method of direct proportion. Rating understand? 1 minute will to 100 minutes will to you have to use the method of direct proportion. Right? So how can you use the method of direct proportion? We'll write this way. Minutes and kilometers. Minutes and kilometers. Right? Come with 80 minutes. It travels 36 kilometers. In 80 minutes, it travels 36 kilometers. In 100 minutes, what distance does it travel? 80 minutes, 36 kilometers. 100 minutes, number of kilometers. So, direct proportion. If it is direct proportion, how should you multiply? The two closer values and the values on either side. 80x equals 36 into 100. To find the value of x, both sides should be divided by 80. What is the answer, Buddha? What? 4 times 9, 4 times 2, 2 times 1, 2 times 5, 5 times 9, 45 kilometers. It will travel 45 kilometers in 100 minutes. Last question, children. The length, breadth and height of a cuboid shaped water tank, 3 meters, 1.5 meters and 1 meter. Right? And a volume ko right? Volume can length into breadth into height. Length 3 meters, breadth 1.5 meters, height 1 meter. And now what's the volume? 3 times 1.5, 4.5. 4.5 into 1, again 4.5 cubic meters. The volume of this tank is 4.5 cubic meters. Then we know 1 cubic meter can 1000 liters. And now 1.1 cubic meter, 1000 liters now. 4.5 cubic meters can multiply by 1000. 4500 liters. The volume of water in this tank is 4500 liters. Right? Then, it is filled using a tap that pumps 20 liters per minute. මේ ටැංක් එකට වතුර පුරවන්නේ කොහමද? 20 liters per minute. එක මිනිත්තුවට liters 20ක් එනවා. 20 liters per minute. අහන්නේ how long will it take to fill the tank completely? Now what shall we do? To fill the tank you need 4500 liters. In 1 minute 20 liters come to the tank. And how much time will it take? Divide and see. Divide by 10. 450 divided by 2 can give 225 minutes. It will take 225 minutes to fill water to the completely to this tank. Or else better keep in hours. 225 can be 3 hours, that is 180. 45 minutes will remain. 3 hours, 45 minutes, right? Right. Right, children. තපර කිනපුතේ මේ සෙෂන් එකේ මේ ගොන්න වැටි කිවරයි, but still I need to speak to your parents. පොඩක් parents ලා ඉන්නවා නම් විනාඩියකට පොඩක් එන්න කියන පුතේ in front of your lap or phone or whatever it is your device. හරි. එතකොට මට parents ලාට පොඩක් කියන්න තියෙන දේ තමයි මේ පේපරේ ඇත්තරම සෙට් කරලා තියෙන්නේ අමාරු ගණන් දීලා නෙමෙයි. අමාරු ගණන් කිහිපයක් තියෙනවා. නමුත් සාමාන්‍යයෙන් පාඩම් කරන දරුවෝ උනත් ලකුණු 60ක් 65ක් ගන්න එක අමාරු දෙයක් නෙමෙයි. හැබැයි තියරි පාඩම් නැත්තම් මේ පේපරේ ලකුණු ගන්න බෑ. ගොඩක් ගණන් වල මම ටෙස්ට් කරලා තියෙන්නේ ළමයාගේ දක්ෂතාවය වගේම ඊටත් වඩා මේ දරුවෝ පාඩම් කරලා තියෙනවද කියන එක තමයි ටෙස්ට් කරලා තියෙන්නේ. ඒකෙන්ද ගොඩක් වෙලාවට අපිට දැනෙන දේ තමයි ළමයි පන්ති අපි පාඩම කරායින් පස්සේ දැන ගන්න විභාගෙ දුන්නම හදන්නේ. හරි? ඒ කියන්නේ රිවයිස් කරගන්නේ නැහැ කියන්නේ. ඒකින්ද පොඩ්ඩක් ගෙදරදී නැවත ගණන් හදන්න උනන්දු කරවන්න. මොකද අපිට 10 11 නම් මෙයාලගේ පේපර් ක්ලාස් එකක් පටන් ගන්නවා 10 වසරේ පේපර් ක්ලාස් එක අපි පටන් ගන්නවා සාමාන්‍යයෙන් අවුරුද්ද මැදවත් වෙයි. මොකද දැන් හරියට මම හිතන්නේ ග්‍රේඩ් 10 මෙයාලගේ වැඩ පටන් ගන්නේ ආණ්ඩු ඉස්කෝලවල මැයි මාසෙ විතර. අවුරුද්දක් ඉවරලානේ ටර්ම් එක පටන් ගන්න. ඒක හින්දා සමහරට අපිට ජූනි වගේ වෙනකොට පේපර් ක්ලාස් එක පටන් ගන්න පුළුවන්. ඉතින් මෙයාලා O level යනකම්ම ග්‍රේඩ් 10 11 පේපර් ක්ලාස් එක යන හින්දා අපිට ලොකු පේපර් එක කියන්නේ 10 11 වලදී ලොකු රිවිෂන් එකක් වෙනවා මෙයාලට. ඉතින් ඒකම ටිකක් කියන්න තියෙනවා මේ 9 වසරේ දැන් 10ට යනකොට you have to select the basket subjects. basket subjects select කරගන්න තියෙනවා. ඒක දරුවත් එක්ක සාකච්ඡා කරලා එයා කැමති විෂය දරුවට කරන්න පුළුවන් විෂය select කරගන්න. කොහොම කරත් පානදුර හොරණ සහස්ත්‍ර ආයතනයේ දෙකේම 10 වසරේ ඉඳන් බාස්කට් සබ්ජෙක්ට් වලට අවශ්‍ය සීලොම දේවල් සීලොම පන්ති ආරම්භ වෙනවා. කොමර්ස් ඇන්ඩ් ඇකවුන්ටිං ක්ලාස් එක උදාරස කරන්නේ උදාර වීරසිංහ තනිසර්ගේ රිසල්ට්ස් මේ සැරේත් මම ගෲප් එකට දාලා තිබ්බා. over 90% A 90ට වඩා වැඩි ප්‍රතිශතයක් AB passes තියෙනවා. ඉතින් දක්ෂ ගුරුවරයෙක් අවුරුදු ගණනාවක් පුරා හොඳ ප්‍රතිඵල පෙන්නපු he's a graduate from University of Colombo University එකේ management degree එක කළා. තන්නේ accounting exams උත් කීපයක්ම කරලා තිනවා. ඒක හින්දා දක්ෂ ගුරුවරයෙක් කැපයෙන් වැඩ කරන හොඳ ගුරුවරයෙක්. Then for literature in both Horn and Panadura we are getting down Darshika teacher. තන්නේ A level English literature classes කරන ගුරුවරයෙක්. තන්නේ ගිය සැරේත් මිස්ගේ පානදුර ක්ලාස් එකේ passes 6ක් විතර තිබ්බා. හොරණ මං හිතන්නේ දරුවෝ 4 දෙනයි යරේ. මොකද ෆස්ට් බැච් එක අපි පටන් ගත්ත ගමන් ටීචර් ආවේ. දරුවෝ 4 දෙනයි භාගයට පාස් වුණා. ඉතිනුත් 2A passes and 2B passes. ඒ දරුවෝ 4 දෙනාත් දෙන්නෙක් A passes දෙන්නෙක් B passes. ඒක හින්දා සහස්ත්‍ර ආයතනය හඳුන්වා දෙන ගුරුවරු ගැන සැකයක් තියාගන්න එපා. හොඳම ගුරුවරු හඳුන්වා දෙන්නේ දරුවන්ගේ කියන්නේ දරුවෝ ආරක්ෂා කරගෙන විෂයත් උගන්න ප්‍රතිඵලත් පෙන්වන දක්ෂ ගුරුවරු. ඒක හින්දා English literature, then business and accounting, ඊපස්සේ western music වලට කොළඹ ආනන්ද කොලෙජ් එකේ බෑන්ඩ් මාස්ටර් කැප්ටන් අනිල් හෙට්ටිආරච්චි මට හොරණ ක්ලාස් එක හොරණ සර් කරනවා නුවණකේ. අපි කලින් ක්ලාස් කරපු ආයතනයේ නුවණකේ සර්ගේ ක්ලාස් එක තියෙනවා. ඉතින් ගැටලුවක් නැහැ. දරුවා යන්න ඕනේ හොඳ ගුරුවරයා ගාවට. ඒකින්ද අනිල් සර් හොරණ කරනවා නුවණ ක්ලාස් එකේ. පාන්දුරේ බොහෝ විට ක්ලාස් එක පටන් ගන්නේ සහස්‍රවල ඒක මම දැනුම් දෙන්නම්. එතකොට වෙස්ටර්න් මියුසික් හරි. then health science කරනවා නම් කවුරු හරි we are starting a health science class. health class එකත් පටන් ගන්නවා පානදුර ක්ලාස් එකේ. හරි පානදුර ක්ලාස් එකේ හොරණ ක්ලාස් එකේ ළමයි එහෙම අවශ්‍යතාවයක් මතුවුණොත් කියන්නේ කවුරු හරි කීප දෙනෙක් කතා කරොත් health science අපි කරන කට්ටියක් ඉන්නවා ක්ලාස් එක කරමු කියලා I can get down the teacher to හොරණට මං ටීචර් එන්න කියන්න පුළුවන් ගැටලුවක් නැහැ. She is also a teacher from government school in පානදුර. over 10 years experience අවුරුදු 10ක විතර experience තියෙන දක්ෂ ගුරුවරයෙක්. ඉතින් පොතේ මෙතන basket subjects විදිහට අපිට තියෙන්නේ. then if you are selecting Japanese හරි පානදුර ක්ලාස් එකේද හොරණ ක්ලාස් එකේ දරුවෝ ජපනීස් කරනවා නම් moksha teacher is there from the beginning. මුලින්දම moksha teacher පන්ති කරන් ආව ජපනීස් ක්ලාස් එකේ. ඉතින් ඒක මේ ජපනීස් ක්ලාස් එක කරා සහස්‍රකේ. so Japanese is there. ඉතින් ඔය වගේ සියලුම විෂයන් අපි සහස්‍රායතනයේ පටන් ගන්නවා both හොරණ and පානදුර. මේ අවුරුද්දේ අපි තාම පානදුර සහස්‍රායතනෙන් O level සඳහා ළමයි යවන්නේ මේ අවුරුද්දේ. මේ අවුරුද්ද තමයි අපේ first batch එක යන්නේ. දැන්ට එහෙ batch එකක් යවන results ඇවිල්ලා තිනවා. maths, science, literature, IT මට අමතක වුණා IT විෂය හොරණ ක්ලාස් එකේ කරන්නේ ශශික සර් grade 10 and 11. grade 10 and 11 ශශික සර් කරන්නේ මාත් එක්ක හෝල් ක්‍රොස් එකේ වැඩ කරපු ටීචර් කෙනෙක්. at the moment he is working at St Sebastian's College පානදුර. sorry Morato St Sebastian's College. so IT results උත් මෙතන දරුවෝ 10 දෙනෙක් අපි යවුවා ගිය අවුරුද්දේ. එතනින් 9 දෙනෙක් ඒ පාසස් අරන් තියෙන හොරණ. හරි. එතකොට ඊට වඩා රිසල්ට් එකක් ගන්න බෑ. 10 දෙනෙක් කරලා A 9යි B 1යි. ඒකින්ද දක්ෂ ගුරුවරු ඉන්නේ. පානදුරේ ක්ලාස් එකේ දිල්හාරා කොඩිකාර කියලා ටීචර් කෙනෙක් තමයි අලුතෙන් IT අපි පටන් ගත්තේ. she is also a graduate teacher, a teacher from a leading international school in Colombo, and she is doing a brilliant job over the years. අවුරුදු ගානක් හොඳ IT උගන්ලා experience and results get ගුරුවරේ. ඉතින් she has start from grade 6 to O level. 6 ඉඳන් O level එකම පන්ති පටන් අරන් තිනවා. එතකොට grade 10 ඉන්න දරුවන්ට පුළුවන් join වෙන්න for the IT class. ඉතින් first batch එකේම all children 100% results in all the subjects. ඒකයි මම පටන් ගන්නකොටම කිව්වේ අවුරුදු ගානක් මම කරන් ආපු රෙකෝඩ් එකම තමයි සහස්ත්‍රා ආයතනියුත් අපි පවත්වා ගන්න හදන්නේ. හැම විෂයෙන්ම හැම දරුවෙක්ම පාස් කරන එක කියන්නේ CS passes නෙමෙයි AB pass වලට ගෙන එක තමයි අපේ අරමුණ. ඉතින් මම මේ වැඩ කරන අනිත් ගුරුවරුන්ට කියලා තින්නේ මගේ results වගේම ඔයාලගේ results උත් AB passes තියෙන්න ඕනේ over 90%. ඉතින් අපි කොහොම හරි ඒ ටාගට් එකට යනවා. මේ ප්‍රතිඵලයේ අග ඉන්නේ ඔයාලගේ දරුවෝ. පැහැදිලිද? ඉතින් results ආයන් පස්සේ බලා ගන්න පුළුවන් කොහොමද අපි වැඩ කරලා තියෙන විදිහ සහ දරුවෝ perform කරලා තියෙන හැටි. ඒකින්ද දෙමව්පියන්ට මම කියන්නේ විශ්වාසයෙන් සහස්ත්‍රායතනය ගැන විශ්වාසයක් තියෙන දරුවන් වෙවන්න අපි මේ විශ්වාසය ඉස්සරහටත් ඒ විදිහම ආරක්ෂා කරනවා. right? okay children, then that ends the session for the day. Re-answer the paper. ගෙදරදී තව සැරයක් උත්තර ලියන්න. redo the paper and bring the answer script to the class. Okay children? Right. Then that's all. Have a nice time children. Goodbye.